Welcome to my channel. Today let's watch Singara Tea Garden near Coonoor. Singara Tea Estate is one of the largest tea plantations in South India, spread across vast rolling hills of the Nilgiris. It is located near Ooty, a famous hill station known as the Queen of Hill Stations, where tea cultivation is a major part of the local economy. Today, it is both an agricultural site and a tourist attraction. The estate lies in the Nilgiri Hills, where the cool climate, high altitude, and fertile soil create ideal conditions for producing high quality Nilgiri tea. The tea garden is known for its lush green slopes and scenic beauty, making it a popular spot for tourists, photography, and nature walks. Visitors can observe tea bushes arranged in neat rows, which are regularly pruned to maintain quality and ease of harvesting. The estate contributes to the production of Nilgiri tea, a type of black tea famous for its aroma, smooth taste, and brisk flavor. This tea estate offers opportunities to learn about tea processing, from plucking fresh leaves to drying and packaging. The area around the estate is peaceful with misty weather, cool breeze, and panoramic valley views, especially during mornings and evenings. Tea plantations such as Singara were originally developed during the British colonial period in the 19th century, when tea was introduced to the Nilgiris. This tea estate is located 20 kilometers away from Ooty. Here you find a wide variety of spices. It also has a wide variety of products for which Ooty is famous. You can relax here by having good masala tea. Here you can find tea of different varieties. Mr. Raja is an excellent photographer. He charges 200 rupees for instant photograph, but it's worth it. These are the photographs he took for us. I hope you liked this video on Singara Tea Estate. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.